Hello my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. How are you? Very good afternoon to you all. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about alkanes NEET most expected questions. So in the series of most expected questions, 1000 most expected questions of 45-day series, every day we are coming up with 35-40 questions. Average of 35 questions for the 45 days, it comes around near about more than 1500 questions, so that every student is going to get a benefit of these sessions. We are going to take the assorted questions to match the questions range of the NEET 2025. So in this series we completed atomic structure, periodic classification, chemical bonding and ionic equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, thermodynamics as well, and we completed general organic chemistry and solutions and colligative properties and electrochemistry. You see, in the series we completed a majority of the syllabus, and again we come back to the organic chemistry. My dear students, please confirm, can you all able to hear me? Can you all see me? Well, that's good. So both of the day for the day, every day we have a session by 1:30, and we take a vote and we start the session. So vote of the day, just simply crack your NEET examination. For that, everybody take a pen and paper, attend the class on a regular basis and solve along with me, so that you will be having an awesome experience. So how the question is given and how you are doing, and what is your area of development in everything. So please like the sessions and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel. And in the Google app you have Infinity Learn app, and in that you can have the live classes, mock test, create your own test. Whenever you are having a problem in a particular topic, you have a less confidence, you can create your own test, so that one type of revision will be given to you, and 24/7 doubt resolutions. So it is completely free of cost, you can have and you can enjoy it. And whenever you are preparing for any examination, it is required to know where exactly you stand and how you are doing and what is your improvement areas and everything. For that you need to have a proper assessment platform. For that proper assessment platform, Infinity Learn is scientifically designed NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack. In that you have 27 AITS examination, in that 13 part test and 4 part test, 13 unit test and 10 grand test based on NEET pattern, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test hai, 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions bhi hai, 3 physics, chemistry, biology books with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance report for every test. And finally your performance is benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students, so for the proper prediction. So these many facilities it is given for 5,999, but if you apply YouTube 50 of coupon code, then you are going to get it for simple 2,999, and it is a special discount. You all enjoy this special discount, so that you will be having a seamless preparation for your NEET examination. All the best, my dear students. So are you ready to face the questions? And of course you are going to expect one question from direct alkanes, no doubt about that. So one question carries 4 marks. So at the end of the session, I can guarantee you that 4 marks is in your pocket. Are you ready for that? One thumbs up and fire emoji, so that we can start the session. My dear students, start. First question of the day. Wurtz reaction of methyl iodide yields an organic compound X. Which of the following reactions also yield the same compound X? You see, organic chemistry is easy when you know. If you don't know, you are under pressure. So it is simple. What is a Wurtz reaction? What is Wurtz reaction? I want to know. See the students, how many of there in the line here? More than 100 students are there in the online. So please give a response in the chat box, because this session is a live interactive session. So if you discuss with me, then I am going to discuss with you. Otherwise the session is going to be just like a radio session, right? So let the session to be interactive. So I want the answer. Who is going to give the correct answer, my dear students? Who is going to give the correct answer? Waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. Hi Krishna, it is C. So 4 options you have to solve it. So there is no shortcut. So what is a methyl iodide subjected for the Wurtz reaction? CH3I subjected for Wurtz reaction means sodium in dry ether. You are going to get CH3 and CH3 and NaI. Yeah, so you are going to get ethane. But what happens C2H5Cl? In the magnesium, you are going to get C2H5MgCl, Grignard reaction. This is a Grignard reagent. Anvita, so it's a Grignard reagent, so it cannot be the option. C2H5Cl with lithium aluminum hydride. So C2H5Cl with lithium aluminum hydride, it is going to get C2H6. It can be given C2H5Cl in the C2H5ONA. You are going to get, this is the Williamson ether synthesis, it is going to get C2H5O, C2H5. It is a Williamson ether synthesis, the product is ether. Okay, yo-yo, CHCl3 with silver powder, you are going to get C2H2 acetylene, okay, plus 6AgCl is going to be formed. So this cannot be. So I got 1 cannot be, 3 cannot be, 4 cannot be. I am going to get it for 2 is the answer for this question, answer B or 2, right? Anvita, Krishna and yo-yo. So you need to know what this Grignard reaction, reduction of alkyl halide and Williamson ether synthesis, and it is going to be the acetylene preparation, alkyne preparation, okay, alkyne preparation. Are you ready to solve one more question, my dear students? Yes. Let us see one more here. In isopentane, the hydrogen atom that can be most readily substituted. Yeah, it's a logical question. Question is available to you. It is said that substituted. So, in the free radical substitution reaction, alkane is being completely saturated, okay, alkane is being completely saturated, it never undergo any type of reactions, they are said to be simply paraffins. Krishna, yeah. So, I appreciate it, Ajay Singh, Krishna also, and alkanes, they are undergoing substitution reaction. So, from alkane one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen. So, ease of replacement and the reactivity of the hydrogens, reactivity of hydrogens, tertiary hydrogen is more reactive than secondary hydrogen is more reactive than primary hydrogen. So, when you talk about this is a primary hydrogen, secondary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, this is a secondary hydrogen. So, that this is going to be more reactive. My answer is going to be B. Krishna Ajay Singh is given the correct answer. Very good. Understand? Clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please feel free to interact with us so that I am going to explain you. Next, one more question. Number of isomers which can be theoretically obtained on monochlorination of 2-methyl-butane. This is a very famous question. You can expect same type of question for the NEET examination expecting answer from your side. So I want to know how you do it. Everybody take a pen and paper and write along with me. You solve it. You solve along with me. Fine. So Yo-Yo has given only one answer, then I am expecting an answer from your side. Okay, Krishna. Ajay Singh, you want to say 2? 2-methyl butane. Okay. Sai Kumar, hi, hello. Where is 2-methyl butane? This is your butane, this is your 2-methyl butane. Array, you can monochlorinate here, you can monochlorinate here, you can monochlorinate here, you can monochlorinate here. So, I could get here various monochlorinated products like this. You will be having monochlorinated product, monochlorinated product, monochlorinated product. So, I got 4 monochlorinated products. Understand? My dear children, got it? Ajay Singh, sorry, 4. Sai Kumar is at C. And it is given different structures, and when it is talking about stereoisomers, this is 1 and this is another one. So, it can have its stereoisomers. Okay. So, stereoisomers also you have to include, but the options, when structural is given, you don't include stereoisomers. When stereoisomers are said to be included, you have to include. If nothing is mentioned, please include stereoisomers also. That's very important for NEET. So, the question may be directly asked or indirectly asked, that you have to judge yourself. Sai Kumar, fine. Next, moving ahead, one more question. Yes, the answer is going to be D. Ajay Singh. Now, let us see the reaction conditions leading to the best yield of C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl. Yeah. When you take excess C2H5Cl and reacted with chlorine, then only you are going to get a monochlorination. Otherwise, if you take an Cl2 excess, now what happens? Polyhallucination takes place. So, this cannot be. So, in the darkened room temperature, alkane do not react and HCl do not react with an alkane. So, these are not the options. I just want to give the option 1. Krishna, you want to say, Array, I said this is not, HCl do not react with an alkane. Yeah, it is 1. Ajay Singh. So, the answer is going to be option A is the correct answer for this question. Agree? Wonderful. Next question, ready? So, N-heptane when heated to a temperature about 800 Kelvin under high pressure in the presence of Al2O3 and Cr2O3 as a catalyst and gives what is the product? N-heptane. N-heptane. So, this particular thing you just see, this catalyst is going to give you cyclization as well as aromatization. Cyclization and aromatization, understand? Now you tell me the answer. When you talk about N-hexane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, N-hexane, it is treated with Cr2O3, Al2O3 and you heat it. you are going to get 6 membered ring is always stable, and further it is going to give you aromatic ring like this. Benzene is formed. Fine. And C6, it contains 6 carbons. If it contains 7 carbons, it gives the priority for, this gives the priority for stability. So it is going to get N-heptane. N-heptane. So it is going to have 7 carbon atoms. So when it is treated with Cr2O3 and Al2O3 and you heat it, you are going to get methyl cyclohexane. Further, it is aromatized, it is going to give you methyl benzene, is otherwise called as a toluene. It is given as a toluene. Answer C is the answer. Yes. Anvita given C answer, Krishna given C answer, Sai Kumar given C answer. Everybody is given the correct answers. Ajay Singh as well, and I appreciate your answer. Ajay, Anvita, Krishna and Sai Kumar. So the same pace you have to maintain. Okay. Sai Kumar, come on, next question. Yes, it is 2-methyl hexane. No. The answer is given not correct. Here it is going to be C. Next, one more question. Which of the following alkane cannot be produced by Kolbe's electrolysis of sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid? Don't mind if you have any doubt in the given reactions, so please let us know. You want to say A? Okay. Okay, A, methane. Very good, Anvita. Ajay, Krishna, Sai Kumar. In the Kolbe's electrolysis, what happened? RCOOH, when it is electrolyzed, you are going to get R and R. This is what is called as a Kolbe's electrolysis. Okay, this is formed at anode and this is formed at a cathode. So what happened? This particular aqueous solution of the carboxylic acid, the R group is coupling reaction taking place. So a single carbon atom containing alkane cannot be prepared. So I just want to say methane cannot be prepared by the Kolbe's electrolysis because this reaction is a coupling reaction. Sai Kumar, come on. Anvita, now these questions looks as if it is simple, and when you go in little deeper, you are going to see so many good things. Okay, one more question. Get ready. Yeah, answer is A. Sodium propionate and decarboxylation of soda lime. What is soda lime, my dear students? I forgot. Somebody help me to tell. What is soda lime? Anvita? Krishna, tell me what is soda lime? Otherwise, yeah. Sai Kumar will tell. Mr. Ajay Singh, what is soda lime? Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. That mixture is called as a soda lime, and this is used for the decarboxylation. Yeah, and what is the role of calcium oxide? Somebody tell me, what is the role of calcium oxide? It is a dehydrating agent. Okay, anyways, sodium propionate CH3, CH2 and COONA, when it is treated with sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, and you are going to see the loss of carbon dioxide and Na2CO3, you are going to get CH3 and CH3 is formed, ethane. One important thing as far as this particular reaction is concerned, this contains 3 carbons and the product is going to get 2 carbons. So descending conversion के लिए reaction इस्तेमाल कर सकता है अजय सिंह, and The product for this reaction is going to be option B. Option B is the answer. Ajay Singh is given. Correct answer is correct. Anvita? Yes. One more question, ready? Yeah, which of the following reaction can be employed for getting unsymmetrical alkanes in a good yield? For preparation of alkane, you can use Wurtz reaction, Kolbe's, okay, and decarboxylation. And Wurtz reaction, you can't prepare methane, and Kolbe electrolysis also you can't prepare methane, and Wurtz reaction, Kolbe reaction cannot be used for preparation of branched and odd number containing electron alkanes. So this cannot be odd number carbons, odd carbons, okay. So while because they are combining, whereas a Corey house synthesis, you can prepare any alkane can be prepared. Corey house synthesis is the one most important reaction where alkyl, dialkyl lithium cuprate is treated with alkyl chloride by SN2 is going to give you the alkanes. So even number, odd number, branched one, unbranched one, cyclic, any alkane can be made by using this Corey house synthesis. Corey and House got the Nobel Prize for their synthetic preparation methodologies. So that is the importance of this Corey house synthesis, my dear children. Next. One more question. For this, option B is the answer for, okay. Anvita, come on, this question you give the answer in a given compound which has the highest boiling point. Which has the highest boiling point. J. Okay. First of all, I want to say boiling point, rule 1, boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular weight, okay, and rule 2, if molecular weight is same, so for isomeric alkanes or any functional group is going to be inversely proportional to branching. It is inversely proportional to branching. This is very important. So N-pentane, this is your N-pentane, 5 carbons. N-butane, 4 carbons. Neopentane, 5 carbons. And isopentane, this is your isopentane. So highest boiling point. Now you tell me for which it is going to have the highest boiling point. Come on. So Ajay Singh, you change your mindset. Rutvik, hi. Ajay Singh, Kushal, now students are coming and giving the direct answers. Now use rule 1 and rule 2. Yes. So your answer for this question is going to be, so I am going to unfold this, is going to be A, and it is going to be A because unbranched one. So all are having C4, here it is going to be C4. C5 and C4, C5, C5. So it cannot be the answer, right? Kushal, your answer is going to be A. Kushal, any doubts? Ajay, you need not have to retract your message. You realize it, Rutvik? Fine. Very good. One more question will do it. So, the maximum number of RBR producing 2-methyl butane by the above sequence of reactions. So, this is your sequence of reactions. So, you tell me. A 4. How? So, whenever you see RBR, you are going to react with magnesium in dry ether. You are going to get RMgBr. When it is hydrolyzed, you are going to get RH and alkane. So, now with varying this RBR, what type of alkyl halides you can have? You can have, here you can have, here you can have, here you can have, Azim Sharif, hi. Now, 4 different types of alkanes. So, organic chemistry can be answered, in such a way that once you have a very good grip on the NCRT, you can do NEET examination. So simple. Azim, your answer is appreciated. Okay, yeah, answer is A. Now, one more question, how many dichloro products are formed in the above reaction? If you get a toughest question for the NEET examination, this is the question you can expect it. Answer it, that's your question. I am going to answer this question in a simple way, don't worry, but you try it. Answer, you want to say B and C. Okay, Ajay, Krishna. What about Azim? Kushal, expecting an answer, beta. Rutvik, Anvita, you want to say A? Okay, let me write. So it is simply said it is a product. It is not mentioned whether it is a what I say structural and stereo. If nothing is mentioned, you have to include it now. If nothing is mentioned, you have to include it now. Yes, you have to include. You got Kushal got 5. Okay. So one hydrogen from the cyclopentane, 2 hydrogens, dichloro products, no? So 2 hydrogens are replaced, 2 chlorines. Okay, I just want to make it here 1 2. Okay, and I want to make it 1 3 as well. Okay, so in this, let us see here. What are the possibilities? Here it is going to be trans and a cis, Cl now this is going to be chiral. So it is going to be plus and minus. So 1 2 dichloropentane contain 3 isomers, total 1 2 3. Now let us talk about this. Now it is also having a chiral center. Whenever it is having a chiral center, it is having a plus and minus. So the total I am going to get a 3. So he got a 3 and here 3 and it is 1. So I got it 1 plus 3 got to be 7. So my answer is going to be 7. Got it? Clear? Rani Maurya. Got it? 7. Yes. So moving ahead, this question has 7. C is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next question. Mohammed Shala. One more question. On catalytic reduction of H2PT, how many alkenes will give 2-methylbutane? Excluding stereoisomers. So you got the permission to exclude it now. Ajam Sharif, expecting an answer from you. Ajay Singh, Kushal, Anvita and Rani Maurya. Kushal, come on. So 2-methylbutane रखने के लिए 2-methylbutane, okay, so H2PT, so क्या क्या दे सकते हैं? ये alkene दे सकते हैं, ये alkene दे सकते हैं, ये अल्किन भी दे सकते. Are you getting or not? Clear? Ajay Singh? Yeah, here it is going to be C. Perfect answer. That's good. Yeah, the structure of alkane with the molecular formula C8H18 that has only primary atoms. C8H18 that has only primary hydrogen atoms. So, Ajay Singh, the answer for the previous question is fine. I accept it. And Muhammad Shalah and Rani Maurya, Ajay Singh, Anvita, Kushal, please, Krishna, you participate in the discussion. So, you just simply say ABC some answer, right? You are doing good and really appreciating your efforts. And if let it be wrong, if you give any wrong answer, let it be wrong. I am going to correct you, undoubtedly. So, you don't have to feel shy to give the answer, but give the answer ताकि हमको पता चलेगा. ओके, आपका क्या स्टैंडर्ड है, आपका क्या इम्प्रूव करना है. सो हर दिन का सेशन अटेंड करने का कोशिश करो. सो टेस्ट सीरीज का जो I just want to show you, I'll come back to this slide again. Wait a minute. I want to come back to this slide again. Yeah. Question number 17 mein hai naam. And you can see, dear students, in the pinning messages also in the chat box, you can see NEET test series. All India 2025 NEET test series. This test series is very important. This is not actually a promotional slide. It is an advice, you can take it. And it contain, this test series contain 27 AITS examination, 20 online examinations for complete NEET syllabus mock test, 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and 3 physics chemistry books along with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance reports for every test. And your performance is going to be benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students, and this cost is around 5,999, but you are given a simple discount of 50% when you have applied, NEET 20 YouTube 50 coupon code, then you are going to get it for 2,999. It's very cheap and it's a special discount, and link is given in the chat box. You can click it, or in the description box is also there. You can click it and you can solve it. Okay. Anyways, बच्चे के लिए कुछ भला करने का हम कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, एंड जैसे फायदा उठाने की कोशिश करो आप लोग. अजय सिंह, इसका आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? You want to say A? Anvita? Okay. Okay. Expecting an answer, and students are given super answer. Ankush, hi. Hello, Ankush. You want to say, Ankush, A, 2233 trimethyl butane. If you say it's a butane, you say IUPAC nomenclature, say butane. 2,2, 3,3 trimethyl butane. It contains CH3 and CH3, CH3 and CH3 and CH3. It contains only primary carbon atoms at the terminal. This is a quaternary carbon, quaternary carbon. So this is a primary carbon, primary hydrogen. सिर्फ primary hydrogens होगा. मेरा आंसर है क्वेश्चन का. Along with you, option A is the correct answer. मंजूर अली, हाय. आपका नीट का प्रिपरेशन कैसे चल रहा है बेटा? अन्विता, you tell me about yourself, like how you are preparing, not your any personal information. Academically, how you are preparing? Ajay Singh and Muhammad Shalha and Manzoor and Rani Maurya, Kushal, okay, Anvita, right? So that we can have a discussion among ourselves, so that I am going to take some input from you and I will present some more questions in the upcoming sessions. For that reason, I was asking about you, not your information, don't worry, right? So, as I mentioned, this is a live interactive session. So, you want to get this kind of questions, you need to join a coaching institute, but Infinity Land, we are running a live interactive session from the YouTube studio, and it is absolutely full free of cost. So, you all just take these sessions, is a super benefit for you. Everything going fine, Ajay Singh, that's good to hear, sounds great. And agile question karna hai. So, what is this? So, this is 2,4 dimethyl heptane. It is on cyclization and aromatization. What could be the product? What could be the product? It is a cyclization and aromatization. There should be 6 carbon atoms ring, so that a ring should be formed here, and there should be a methyl group on the ring, methyl group on the ring, and a methyl group on the ring, trimethyl ring, 6-membered ring. So, it is what is called as trimethyl benzene is formed, okay, mesitylene. Mesitylene is formed, okay, that's good, fine. One more question, get ready. Next question. Yes, answer is going to be C. Out of 5 isomeric hexanes, the isomer that can give 2 monochlorinated compounds. Just 2 monochlorinated compounds. So, हेक्सेन इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? C6H14. So, for that I would say 1 2 3 4 5 6 N hexane, 1 2 3 4 5 methyl pentane, dimethyl butane, and it can have its own structures, right? Now, in this case, you can have monochlorinated product here, 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 right? Here, 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 here. While here, you just want to take here and just here, that's it. So, I mean to say 2,trimethyl butane is the answer. Exactly, Manzoor Ali. Kushal, why you said D? It is N hexane going to give you 3. Now, Anvita, next question is yours. Yeah, here it is answer A. Next question, which of the following reagent used for this? Array, ethane to ethyl ethanol acetaldehyde. So it can be copper in high temperature and pressure, potassium permanganate, molybdenum oxide, manganese acetate. You refer NCERT book. If you have NCERT book along with you, you open it, it is there. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. And here it is going to be manganese acetate. No? One more. Yeah. Arrange the following in decreasing order of this boiling point. So as I mentioned, boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular weight and the boiling point inversely proportional to the branching. So first you have to check this and you have to check this, right? Ajay Singh, check the count. Yes, want to say answer A is an outstanding answer. So quick and speed is also important. So in the further upcoming session, I just want to take care of the speed as a measure from the students. So once you interact with us in the chat box, you will come to know how speed the reactions can be. Right? Next question. अरे बीच में अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तब पूछ सकते हैं ना. So moving here and there in this frame is changing. Okay, don't worry. So you talk to me. Come on. This reactions bromo 1-bromo 3-chloro-cyclopentane reacted with magnesium. Further reacted with the D2O and further reacted with sodium and ether. So what could be the product? Now once you reacted here with this, you are going to get MgBr and it is going to be Cl, MgCl. Okay, once you got the D2O, you are going to get D and D, but it are not mentioned equivalents. So what I mean to say here, it should be chlorine. Okay, the typo there is a typo error. Hold on a minute. Assertion and reasoning karna. You just skip the previous question. Previous question there is a typo error. Okay, don't worry. Now sodium salt of butanoic acid on heating with soda lime gives rise to butane. So what happens? Sodium salt of butanoic acid. Sodium salt of butanoic acid means CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Okay, COONA. You are going to get CH3, CH2 and CH3. Propane is got. I am getting propane but not butane. Wrong. Reason. Decarboxylation reaction yields alkane having the same number. Descending number. One number is descending. Both are false. I want to say both assertion reason are false. So my answer for this question is D. So NEET examination, assertion reasoning type questions, minimum 5 multiple choice question I am strongly expecting from this. Agree? Agree? Next. Now again statement 1, statement 2 question. Who will answer this question? Isobutane oxidizes to tertiary butyl alcohol in the presence of KMnO4. Electrolysis of aqueous solution of potassium acetate produces ethane. So, isobutane oxidizes tertiary butyl alcohol. How? What is isobutyl? This is your isobutane, okay, and when it is treated with KMnO4, there is a hydrogen over here, you are going to get CH3, CH3 and CH3, and you are going to get an oxygen over here, and yes, it is a tertiary butyl alcohol. It's correct statement. This is a correct statement. It is a correct statement, Ajay. And electrolysis of aqueous solution of potassium acetate. What is this potassium acetate? CH3 COOK on aqueous solution is going to get C2H6 plus H2O plus H2 and CO2 plus KOH. So, you got an ethane, and this is also correct statement. My answer is going to be A. You are not asked to break a rock solid things, but a simple statement is given. You need to know and read and recall anything from your memory, and you just execute it. Everything is in front of you. So, this is the best way to crack NEET examination, my dear students. Ajay Singh, Manzoor, Kushal, one more. Which step is chain propagation step in the following mechanism? Chain propagation step in the mechanism. So, in the chain propagation mechanism, one thing, two free radicals are joining to give a neutral one. This is a termination. This is a termination. Initiation, propagation or elongation and termination. Initiation, always free radicals are generated. Termination, always free radicals are collapsed. And anything out of that is going to be propagation. I just want to say my answer is going to be only two matches here. This is a termination, this is a initiation. This is a termination and this is a termination, and it is going to be propagation or elongation. So, 2 only, my answer is going to be 2 only, okay. Answer B. Next, given 2 statements, one is an assertion and another one is a reason. For C2H6, staggered conformation is more stable than eclipsed. Let me say, this is C2H6 Newman projection formula, CH3 H H and it is going to be H, and it is going to be H, H, H. So, it is eclipsed, and it is going to be H, H and H, and it is going to be staggered. Fine. So, for C2H6, the conformation staggered is more stable than the eclipsed, because you are going to have a repulsion along the same axis. Here you are going to make a maximum distance and a minimum repulsion. It is correct. And in staggered conformation, the bonded electrons are the minimum repulsion. So, both are correct, and correct explanation. My answer is going to be A. Ajay Singh, Anvita, and all given Kushal. Write one more. The gas is liberated at anode and electrolysis of sodium acetate. Yes, sodium acetate. What is sodium acetate? Here it is going to be CH3 COONA. On electrolysis, you are going to get C2H6 at anode, CO2 at anode, H2 at cathode. These are at anode, this is at a cathode. So, at anode I could get C2H6 and CO2. Ajay Singh, correct. Wonderful interaction in today's class. Ajay, Kushal, Anvita, Sai Kumar. So, little bit difficult question, I just want to do it. Answer is going to be anode. It is going to be B only. Ajay Singh is not A. Okay. And volume of gaseous mixture of liberated at anode from 1.64 gram of sodium acetate by Kolbe electrolysis. The same reaction I just want to say. Sodium acetate CH3 COONA on electrolysis, it is going to get C2H6 plus 2CO2 plus H2 plus KOH. Now I just want to say these are got at anode, here it is at a cathode. Now total gases is going to be 1 mole of this, 2 mole of this gives rise 4 mole, right. So sodium acetate ka molecular formula CH3COONA, so molecular weight is 82, okay, 82. So 82 grams is equal to 1 mole, 164 grams is equal to 2 mole, okay, 16.4 gram is equal to 0.2 mole, 1.64 grams is going to be 0.02 mole, okay. So 1.64 gram, so it should give 2 mole gives rise 4 mole, so 0.02 mole gives rise 0.04 mole. So 0.04 mole is going to be 0.448 liters at STP. It has to be mentioned at STP. Okay. And moving ahead, melting point of N-pentane isopentane. Again, melting point is directly proportional to molecular weight, and even number is relatively greater than odd number because it is all about melting point. So based on this, my dear students, option C, branching bhi dekhna padta. Okay, that's a very important point over here. Everybody focus here. Ajay? Okay, one more. The alkane that gives only one monochloro product. It is purely based on NCRT. It is purely based on NCRT. Come on. The alkane that gives only one monochloro product reaction with chlorine in the presence of diffuser sunlight. It is going to be CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3, and chlorine in the presence of sunlight, it gives only CH3 and CH3 and CH3 and CH2Cl. So that is neopentane. This is neopentane. Ajay, very good, and the answer for this question is going to be B. Okay. So anyways, we had a very good swell in today's class, and tomorrow we'll meet with more stuff in the alkene preparation and properties. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll meet exactly with this multiple choice question. Okay. See you. Bye bye for the day, and signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. If you have any doubts, you please mention in the comment box. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you, students.